Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 31. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part drawing. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. At the start, we make this circular profile, and this profile on the right side plane according to the dimensions. Then extrude them one by one up to given dimensions. Next, we make this profile on the top plane with this slot profile. Then extrude them one by one up to given dimensions. Our 3D model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the right side plane for the sketch. First, we draw these two circles. Draw a circle of diameter 50 to the approximate to the right upper side of the origin point. Like this. Once draw the circle of diameter 25 with the same center point. Now set this height dimension 50 mm from the base. Take Smart Dimension tool, and set vertical dimension between origin point to the center of the circle. 50 mm. Also set horizontal dimension between origin point to the center of the circle. 25 mm. Now start another profile. Take the line tool and start to draw from this quadrant point to the origin point. We already set this dimension. Next, draw 150 mm line straight horizontally to the right side. Then, 16 mm straight to the upside. Find the tangent snap point and place the next point on the circle. Like this. Escape the command. Our first sketch is completed. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Here multiple profiles are detected. First, we select this profile for cylinder extrude. Enter the extruding value of 25 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Select Sketch 1 from the first Extrude feature. Take Extrude tool and select this remaining profile for extruding. Enter the extruding value of 16 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now next, we make this profile with this slot on the top plane. Select the top plane for the sketch. Take the line tool and start to draw a line from this corner point. Draw a line 70 mm straight to the right side. Then, draw a line 75 mm straight to the downward. Get tracking reference from this vertical edge for the next point, and place the next point on this edge. Then, draw a line up to the origin point. Next, join this corner point to close the profile, like this. Now we draw this slot. Take Straight Slot tool and start to draw approximate inside the sketch. Like this. Draw 32 mm vertical length of the slot. And 16 mm width of the slot. Here we draw the inside slot. We just offset this for the outside slot profile. Take the Offset tool and set the offset value 8 mm. Select this slot profile and make sure it offset to the outside. That's what we required. Now we need to set this slot incorrect position. Take Smart Dimension tool, and set the dimension 36 mm between this edge to the center of the top arc. Notice here, this slot collar 3 mm rise from the surface of the base. Take Extrude tool and first, we extrude slot profile up to 16 plus 3 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Select Sketch 2 from the recent Extrude feature. This time we extrude this base. Take Extrude tool and select this remaining profile. Enter the extruding value of 16 millimeters. Confirm the preview and click on OK. Take the filleting tool and set the approximate radius 2 millimeters. Select the edges for filleting as shown in the diagram. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.